Hello, guys and girls. My name is Shubham Tamrakar, and I'm very grateful for you guys to watching this video again. And in this week, we are going to talk about the DXY movement, which is created in a market, and other correlated pairs, which is also very important to look on the basis of price action structure perspective and the psychologies as well. So I hope you will you will definitely like this video. So let me just start. You can see the chart on my screen, which is a DXY dollar index. The price action structures in a dollar index is very clear. If I just look at this on the basis of structure, you can see this was a price action structure dollar index moving on. And this is what the bar pattern you can use on your trading view. This is very effectively used we as a trader to understand the forecasting and how we have to look for the market conditions. So this is very easy tool you can use to understand the price action structures perspective. So if you look at this, you can see this was very important level the dollar index was moving on the basis of a structure. You can see this was a three touch structure, and this was first, this was second, and this was a third touch. You can see the price also make the extension of the pattern. This is what called the extension of the pattern. And here the most of the traders get wrong in a market. They decide that this is what the impulse is, this is what the correction market form, and then it will continue move up. Before moving to that level, I'm going to talk about the mass psychology which is played in this as well. If you look at this, what is this? If you just look at this on the basis of extension of the pattern, you will see this is what the mass psychology played. Most of the traders, when the price was breaks slightly all time high at this point, most of the traders bought at this time, at this point, and they lose money. But you have to understand that the structure is one of the most important thing which tells you about everything. So you have to look for that for the higher time frame. But let me just tell you about this structure first. You can see that this was very important resistance. This was price action structure, and from the top of the structure it was moved down. It was moved down by making the very good impulse move, then price form correction, then again price move down for the continuation to a short duration. You can see this was first very important leg which was completed now. But on the basis of structure, you can see we had very good impulse again, forming correction right now and looking for very good move down. So you understand that direction I'm looking for on a dollar index is very clear for the short side. You can see this was a price action structure, price form. This was an all-time high for that structure. This was an all-time high for that structure. Price was break little, and then it will move back to the structure, form very good correction, then price again move down. So what is the thing I wanna focus on this current price action structure? You can see is that the weekly closing we get in a the daily closing we get. If I just look at this on a daily time frame structure, you will see the daily time frame structure is clearly indicating that the price has closed below the very important support level. This was very important support level, previous support level. You can see this was very important previous support level, because this structure is what the three touch structure, and every three touch structure has a previous support, previous resistance level. This will be also a support level for that, but doesn't matter because we had very good impulse move in a daily time frame as well. This was clearly indicating that the momentum shift in a market on the basis of price action structure is very good. So clearly indicating that we are going to go down. And if I just look at this as a whole, as a structure on the daily time frame, you will see that this was this was the top of the structure was also the high value area for the previous structure. If you look at this, the top of the structure was also a high value area, and this was what just penetration. It is always happened that as I told you that market is not perfect, market is imperfect, and you have to make your mindset as a trader to understand how the psychology is working in a market. And this will come over the period of time when once you're understanding, once you develop the right mindset. So on the basis of clear price action structures, not making the mess anything, just clear this price action structure, three touch, first touch, second touch, and third touch. From the third touch of the structure, price moved down, retested the level, again moved up, played mass psychology, again moved down. It is very clear on the basis of price action structure, and this is what I was forecasted to. I have shared videos as well. You can see in my previous video, when the price was at that level, I was shared you that the price should have to move to the upside, and once the price will make the high, then we'll look for the downside. Same thing happening in the market, and this is what the forecasting is. Once you start forecasting, you will have a very good understanding of the market. You will not hijacked by the emotions which is continuously playing in a market. And as a trader, it is very important to control your emotions in a market. So you look at this, the structure is very clear on 1 hourly and 4 hourly time frame structure as well. This was what the correction we are forming right now. You can see this was a very important support level which was breaked, and we are forming corrections. Once the price will move down, it will definitely going to go short, and we have opportunity to trade this for the short side as well. But I do not trade dollar index very frequently. But what is this? This is just a indication towards other pairs, because dollar index is one of the most important thing which is correlated to the entire forex market. Because dollar index is what the moving the most of the things. If I just talk about the things which is euro USD, if you just talk about the things about the euro USD, you can see euro USD is one of the means best pair I have forecasted, and last week I was got entered into this trade. I was shared with you as well. You can see previous videos. I have shared with you that the euro USD should have to move to the upside, because the dollar index is going to go down. This was very clear structure on euro USD I got, and I have shared with you as well. So you can see whenever the dollar index moves down, the euro USD will move up, because dollar index is negatively correlated with the euro USD. Euro USD is 100% negatively correlated with the dollar index. So when the dollar index will move down, euro USD will move up. And because I'm looking for a very good momentum on a dollar index for the short, the euro USD which I have trade already, I am looking for this trade to scale. And this is one of the best trade I had last week, and this is the only trade I had last week. I got misentered after the correction structure. You can see this was impulse, this was from a correction, and once the price was break the correction structure, I got entered. Right now this position is at the break even, and I'm projecting that the price will have to move to the upside. So the point I'm going to discuss here is one of the most important thing, which is the correlation factor. Correlation factor also working in a market, and you have to understand how the correlation is working. USD is 100% negatively correlated with the DXY. And if I just talk about the other pairs, which is USD CHF, and USD is also 100% negatively correlated. So these are the things which is a part of the correlation. I will discuss some other videos, and but I had just to tell you about the direction towards DXY. It is very clearly indicating that the DXY will have to go down, and whenever the DXY will move down, gold will move up, euro USD will move up, and that is very clearly indicating. If I just talk about the gold, you can see very good momentum shift in a gold as well. Viewers, I was documented as well. If you have watched the previous videos, you have seen it was clear structure moving on in a gold in a ascending channel, and from the low it was very clear entry as well. This was what the just a mass psychology playing in a market around. You can see this was very clear structure. The price was creating, the movement is created in a gold, and because of the DXY, it is very important to look for. And let me just talk about one more thing, which is the repetition in a price action structure. If you look at this DXY, the repetition in a price action structure is something which gives you a confidence when you start developing the right mindset. Okay, so if you look at this, what is the price action structure which is keep repeating itself? You can see this was very good impulse, we form correction, price moved up, continuation for the downside. You can see this was very good impulse move, then price form correction, and again it move up for the continuation to the upside. Same thing, you can see the price form impulse, form correction, and then again move to the continuation for the downside, impulse, correction, and forming the correction. Right now, once the correction will be over, it will again move to a downside. So what it is clearly indicating that we have to look for these structures as one of the important thing which gives us a direction towards things. Dollar index I always look for to decide the direction on other pairs. So if the dollar index will move up, my euro USD trade, which is I have already in, will be very good, and I have very means good position on that. So this is what I'm looking for on the on market today. First pair I have forecasted, which is euro USD. If you have not position right now in euro USD, you can also take, because you can see this was very impulse move form, then form correction, it moved up, continuation for the upside, it completed this price action structure, it completed impulse correction, continuation this. Currently, it is also formed the impulse correction, and this is currently at the correction. Once the price will break the correction structure, there is also a possibility that you can get involved in a market. So it is very clear on the basis of a structure perspective. If you don't have a position, you can get entered into the position with your preferred risk reward, and you can get involved in this trade for the upside. Very clear on the basis of structures, and this is what I'm looking for on a USD. Let me just talk about another pair, which is GPJPY. Very clear on the basis of the structure GPJPY. If I just move to the higher time frame, weekly time frame or a daily time frame, you will see The momentum was very close. I mean, I remember the last video I was uploaded on a GPJPY. I was explained the psychology, and I was also covered this kinds of move which can create. This was possible outcome. I was misforecasted, but I was not had any trade in that impulse move. But let me just talk about that in today's. If you look at this, Euro GPJPY was at the weekly resistance level. This was very important weekly resistance level, or you can call it as a double top level. And from that level, the price moving to a downside. If you look at this weekly closing, it is very awesome. The closing on a weekly time frame, the momentum in a weekly time frame is clearly indicating that we can look a shift towards direction in GPJPY. So it is very clearly indicating. If I just move to the daily time frame, you can see this was a daily time frame structure is. This was a double means weekly resistance level. But if I just look at the current price action structure perspective, you can see mass psychology again played in a market. What happened? The price moved up impulsively, it forming a correction. Most of the traders, those who are trading in a forex market, they buy at this point, because when they think that the price break and then it will move up. This is not how forex market always work as a means on the basis of imperfection. Imperfection is one of the best quality of the market, and you have to make your mindset to become a profitable traders over the period of time. Once you start developing the right psychologies, this is what the mesh psychology is. And if you look at this in a 4 hourly, in 4 hourly time frame, the price was forming the very good reversal structure, which is head and shoulder. But although I was mistwisted because I was not prepared for that. But if you look at this currently, again we had very good impulse move, very good impulse move. And as I told you that this is what the daily resistance is. This was daily support level right now for that. If you look at this very good impulsively, you can see this is very good impulse move. If I just back to the 1 hourly time frame, you can see this was very good impulse move the price form right now. And I'm looking for at least 4 hourly correction at this point. Once the price will take some corrections like this in this current price action structure, if the price will form like this any correction, then we'll have a good opportunity to trade this for the short side. Or maybe it will not form any means that kind of correction. I will look for definitely for any kind of correction or the continuation structures which give me a confirmation to getting involved in a trade. And once it will hit, I will definitely going to take this trade with the reduced risk entry setup. So GPJPY is looking very good on the basis of price action structure perspective, because we had a weekly closing, a very good weekly closing. So you can see very clear on the basis of the structure. So this was what I have to share with you. I have shared with you the dollar index, DXY movement, what I'm looking for the DXY. I have shared with you the EURUSD, which is 100% correlated with negatively correlated with the dollar index. So once the dollar index will move up, EURUSD will move down, EURUSD will move up, GPJPY because move up. GPJPY I'm looking for short, because you have seen that the momentum shift in a market is very clear. From the last 2 weeks, the JPY has a very good momentum. All the yen pairs has very good momentum, and it was reflected on a chart as well. You can see very good impulse move from the last 2 days. Then I'm looking for any kind of correction to getting involved in a trade. So this was the thing I have to share with you guys. I hope that you liked today's video, and if you like, definitely subscribe the channel. And thank you. This was me, Shubham Tamkar. Thank you guys.